Hi, for this work, we'll be actually capturing menus of different restaurants and put them into an Excel sheet. So our client is actually a cloud kitchen in Singapore. So for this work, for example, we'll do a few restaurants. So when I give you this link later on, what you need to do is to change the time because at different times, then the restaurant will decide whether they're open or closed. So in this case, we have to change to 12 p.m. So over here, you just change to 12 p.m. And then the date, you can change to the 5th. And then after you change, you can click anywhere on the screen and then please always choose dine in. So in this example, what we'll do is we'll do Flame Shack. So if you see Flame Shack, let's take hamburger for example. Okay, so this is how a Flame Shack sample looks like. Let's just take the lamb baconizer. When you click on this, if it shows up two boxes like this that has no step header, which you'll see later, which means that these two will have to key in into the modifier queue, right? So meal and no meal, based on that. And then from there you have the choice of sides, and then minimum maximum means how many sides can you choose. So in this case, every side comes with one side only. So minimum is 1, maximum is 1. So is the drinks. Now the tricky thing is, the base price will be $8.45, which is a la carte price. Now the set price is actually $14.33. So if let's say I click on the set, the mac and cheese is 0, but the price I have to put 5.88 over here, because when it adds up, it becomes 14.33. Now, if let's say cheesy fries is addition 160, then I have to add on top of that, so it becomes 7.48. As for drinks, is 0 because with the sides and the base price is already the set price. So all your product name will be inside here, the lamb, and then all product name is in column C. Your category is based on what you press on the side here. And then SKU. So the SKU is to determine by yourself. So how we usually do it is basically we put the name of restaurant, the Flame Shack is TFS, dash the category, dash 001. There shouldn't be any space bar here. So if it's like chicken, then it will be TFS dash CHC dash 001. And then so every product will have its own SKU. So lamb baconizer is one, the flame lamb will be another one. So that's an example right there. Now the description. So some items will have description, which I'll show in a bit. So okay, now let's move on to send noodles. Okay, so if I want to go out to the stores, I'll just click on top here. I'll go send noodles. So if you see here, send noodles, U up. Okay, so that's the SKU, send noodle dash appetizer, because that's a category name, the product name, the choice of meat, the description. The description will be basically here. So if you click on it, suddenly the description disappears. So you have to follow the one over here. Alright. So once you've done that, then there'll be a list of hashtags which I give you. You just type in as many as you think that's relevant. Okay. And then the base price in this case is 7.06. So once you click on it, it forces you to choose chicken or mutton. So in this case, you have to come up with your own title. In this case, it's choice of meat. So again, it's maximum 1, minimum 1. So after I choose chicken, then there'll be an option whether do I need to add ketupat. So then you come up with your own again. So add ketupat, minimum is 1, maximum is 1. If it's no need, then you have type no need and leave the price at 0. If add ketupat, then put the price as 1. So basically that's about it actually. One last thing will be the pizza. Okay, so for Pizza Boy, for example, there's this booster deal. Now in this booster deal section, when I click on it, it forces me to choose 3 pizza. And the good thing is I can choose the same pizza 3 times. So in this case, for Pizza Boy, if I go to the booster deal here, right, because I can choose 3 of the same choice of pizza, the minimum should be 1, the maximum should be 3. Okay? But if you go to the 1+1, then it only allows you to choose 2 different pizza. You can't choose 2 of the same. So when I choose 2, technically speaking, it's minimum 1, maximum 1. So in this case, for the 1+1 power deals, it's actually 1, 1. So that's the only thing that you have to take note. Okay, now if you see when you click here, any items, if there's straight away a step, which means that the modifier Q will remain empty. You just have to type in the modifier title. You didn't type in the Q when, like for example, the